We've been on this creek since 2011. It was originally excavated to allow more water to move through so Grand Avenue wasn't flooded, and the city invited my class, in an intro environmental science class, to help with the restoration of the creek, and we've been here since then. We are putting in native plants. We're trying to increase biodiversity. We're trying to add shade and remove invasives. On the most western end of the creek, we have some explanation of all the partnerships that were involved in this, a bit of the history of the creek going clear back to indigenous times, and then sort of who's been involved in the restoration. We've also had a poetry class involved and an artist involved designing signs to help people identify native plants.
It's a really wonderful way of the Cougs giving back to the community directly and like in a fashion that they can actually see firsthand. A lot of them feel pretty disconnected from this community. They feel just a part of the Coug community, not just a part of Pullman. So this is a pretty great way of being like, hey, you're making a difference in this city. I love the fact that students really connect to, they plant a plant for the first time sometimes. Some of them have never planted a plant. So they're just like, holy cow, like this is amazing. I want to continue doing this. Like I helped the community, I'm going to help the environment. And it's heartwarming to see that they actually feel like they're having an impact